Yo guys, I hope you are able to see me now. Okay, it has started skipping the frames already. I don't know how it will skip over the time, but hopefully this should improve now. Hmm. Okay, okay, let me check everything and then we'll get started, guys. Few seconds. अरे भाई भाई थोड़ा अपना ट्रेडिंग देख रहा था was busy in getting on track after derailing. Okay, let me YouTube. I'll be back on the charts in a few seconds. Just before that, I need to do. Long time after I lost you, brother. Yes, yes, long time, long time. I think it's been what 4, 5 weeks since I last streamed. Hopefully, I'll be consistent. Hopefully. Let's see. I was just focusing on my accounts, building up stuff slowly because I think I messed up a little bit in between. But yeah. Requested few payouts last few days, so I think we are back on track. As you can see, I think below the 2025 payouts by crypto to dump ho gaya. Yeah, come on, it was very much predictable at this point. After taking out highs, it's gonna dump back and repricing simply the market. Yo, what's up? I hope you guys are able to hear me. Let me know if you can properly or not. Already ordered a new mic. Hopefully it should get here by Monday. Let's see. This is Strauss. Yo. Welcome everybody. Welcome. How's trading going, guys? For you? Okay. अरे कुणाल भाई Feb was pretty bad actually. अरे कोई नहीं भाई. I think February was bad for everybody. For me, first 10 days were bad and then it was shit show. Let's say January was shit show. February was, I think starting of February was shit show. But yeah, we are getting back on track slowly. Oh, कोई ना अभिषेक भाई कोई ना. Still on the what forex. Good luck. All right, let's get back onto the charts. What has been happening since last few days? So this was pretty due. Okay, this term. I think we have been pumping. I don't know last. I don't know 2 2 1 2 months. We have been trying to go take out this too high. We did. We fall short of this high. It's fine. I think with ES, it took a SMT. ES took all-time high here, and then we dumped. it has taken out this low as well, going into this FUG. So I guess today is Friday as well, so we can have TGIF ICT's concept. If you know, you know, where market retraced 30% of total fall of the week on the Fridays, and if it has formed, it retrace likewise. Gold may also, I'm predicting that it should start going back up again slowly, making staircase. Yeah, currently I'm trading paper I mean not paper to Apex funded account, PA accounts. This is what I meant. I'm done for the day. Like I have made already $510 on this. I don't wanna ruin the consistency. For me it is already at $52,000, so I need one good day to take payout on this. Good morning Ritik. And I requested few payouts on Topstep. Let me show you guys. So I have two accounts. This is one of them. If you can see, let me just, yeah, and same with the other account as well. So yeah, back on the track. Hopefully this year goes well now, and I don't have to stop streaming and focusing on trading alone. Wow, Ethereum is down 10% almost today. It's not even started. How long have you been trading? I've been trading since 2022, prop firms especially. Yeah, so I've been trading with Topstep since 2022, futures NQ. I have experience of what, 3 years mostly with the NQ. Starting new on the gold, you can trade futures, I mean gold in the futures. So yeah, yes Ron bhai, we so back. I have ordered few stuff for the streaming stuff, I mean to make it easier for me. And yeah, does SMC and ICT works in crypto? To the extent it's like ICT concepts are everywhere if you look at it. Of course, to the entry point where you are trying to get in, it will be difficult for you to find entries through ICT concepts in crypto, but it does work. Like every time it takes high, it goes back into range or goes back to fill some FEGs which are left, just like this one to get filled on. It might go here as well, but yeah, you get the idea what I'm trying to say. Okay, coming back to NQ, my plan is, or if I were to take any trade, which I'm not gonna today, I'm just here to read because I already took this short in the morning, made some money on this account and not trading it again. But like it took out this low, we had a displacement to the upside, we have left 5-minute FEG. So what I'm expecting that it should manipulate in the opening, coming into this and then go back up again. So yeah, long time no see. Hey XC, what's up? On gold, I'm still thinking that it should go back up again in the ranges, because come on, it's gold, it cannot just keep dumping. That's what I think actually. I mean, at least hopefully it start to go back up again and give us good entry areas, because I've been trading gold since, I don't know, last 3 weeks. It has been giving me good trade setups, shorts or longs both. I mean, there are some FPGs it is trying to respect to the downside currently, but I think eventually it will start going back up again, because what I'm saying is here on 3 minute. Of course I have so little experience with the gold. But yeah, let's see what it does. My prediction is that it should just start going up again, even if it dips to the upside from here. But we're gonna focus on NQ right now because it has. So what I can do is like go on MNQ and take entries on the micros chart just to show you guys executions. Okay, just trying one of these block plus FPG, which had I like on the NQ chart I have marked everything. I had this breaker, order block, FPG, everything was there. Just trying one of that. Okay, nothing fancy. Putting my stop here just to make this stream fun and not, I guess, make boring executing, because I am already done for the day on these accounts. I don't want to lose any money after making it. It's just for you to see executions. We did officially close about this, so I think we should go back away. Okay, let me mark stuff, okay, here as well, otherwise. I don't know, I have taken like steep entry here, did not wait for the confirmation. I think it just should push up now. It has taken out this low, every like very rebalance all this. I don't know. Let's see. All right. What else, guys? What have we been up to? Also, I'm looking at some forex pairs nowadays, trying to get some screen time on them. They have been pretty good to me. I took one trade here on the EU, Euro, and it did work out for me. Australian dollar as well, it did work out for me. So yeah, so far so good. So far so good. Hello. Rinko. What's up? All right. Of course, this is very risky entry. Like, if anybody wants to get confirmation, just wait for the some structure shift and then enter. It would be very wise to do so. I'm trying to catch bottom, which is not good. Entry is in gold good. Yeah, I guess long or short, Rinko. I'll stay away from the gold for now. Oh yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Going long. We have so much things to get disrespected on, like this block is there, we don't want it to respect as well, so it will be very hard for us to go up. But I trust on NQ. I have trust on NQ. It will do it, hopefully. Yeah, I think it is trying to push back up again. I don't know, we can be completely wrong. It's not that. This is what I've been trying, trading or working on last few days. I'm in from 2877, 2877, 2877, 2877.2. Where is your SL? Below this? Protected SL. Aiming for these blocks. 1 gem 1. Can be a good entry actually. Yeah. Yeah, now we are tapped into this FPGs. We might get some rejection. Yes, Subham bhai. Yes, I am. Bunker. Yes. 2872. Yeah. Just be careful that you don't get sweep on. Might just it can come back into these FPGs. Sweep this low and then go back up again, straight up. You know. For now, NQ is respecting this. Wow. There's some. Let's see NQ disrespecting this FPG is closing above them. Then it will be good entry for you guys to enter on confirmation. Yeah. Yeah. In my opinion, it is a good setup on gold because see, there is one rule to the market when it's making staircase. I mean, go with the flow. Don't try to do much, over analyze. ज़्यादा कुछ करने का ट्राई मत करें. Do what you feel like. Alright, there's some reaction on the NQ. Alright, finally disrespecting that. I think it is official 25 points on the trade and SL was 34 points. When it goes to 34 points, it officially becomes break even. 1 gem 1 if it's. Look at that. Heavy rejection on these FEGs up there. Almost gave us one gem one. Almost. But I'm gonna keep this one open until it hits SL or TP. There is no premium group going on. We closed it for good. It did become a signal, and yes, we were trying to do that as well, not gonna lie. So if unless we have some better ideas for it, I don't think so. For the group, not only a signal group, it has to be something more than that. So yeah, self-improvement and stuff like working as a community, closed community. So until we figure some shit out, it won't be open. What a pump and dump, like I think it was open stuff. Yeah, let's see where this trade takes us. Not looking good at this moment. It might just chop around at the entry. Today is Friday as well, so don't wanna over leverage anything or overstretch anything. It has been only 2 days in this account. Today is the third day. I'm currently at $52,000, so like I made $2,000 in 3 days with the consistency rule in the mind of FX 30% whatever. So yeah, I need to trade it 8 days, so I better go slow on these accounts now, otherwise I'll break the consistency rule anyways. Planning to get back on the Apex now. I think I'm done with the Topstep for a while. They are some bringing new rules here and there. I want to learn, brother. Where can I? So if you want the ICT concept, what I'm trading, you just go on his channel ICT, just search Inner Circle Trader, and there is his channel. You can learn there. There is a 2022 model play series. You can play it out. That's what I use. Currently, I don't have anything that where I can teach you, but I think in a week or 2 week we'll launch something where you'll be able to learn something. But of course, it won't be for everybody. I want some experienced player in that group. Do you trade only IFVGs? Nah, I trade more FVGs than IFVGs. I take more trades from FVGs than IFVGs. I don't wait for it to inverse few stuff and then enter. IFVGs is very like recent caught up concepts. I don't know. In last few months, people have been trying to be fancy about it a lot. It just they are selling you something which is, of course, it is ICT concept, but you know they're trying to make it face of the whole concept. IFVGs, IFVGs this, IFVGs that, but it's better to stick with what has been working for you. For me, it has been working. 2022 model has been working. It is pretty simple model that what I use. I have mentioned it 30. I mean, I don't know how many times at this moment. Right, if you have equal lows, relative equal lows, what I wait highs. So if what I wait for is market to take those out, wait for the displacement, FPG entry, and then okay, let me just mark few stuff out here so you would understand. So basically, if nobody knows what I trade, this is what I trade. See, this is the high, this is also high, this is another high. So you look at this like they are relative, these are, I mean, double highs, and then relative, this one is also close to them. So the like market builds liquidity above them. So what we look for as ICT trader is like wait for the liquidity to be taken out above this and give us a displacement. Displacement is like market turns around, shifts its structure strongly, then in process of making that displacement, जब भी वो displace करेगा, it will create some FPGs, enter through them, and yeah, target for the nearest lows. Can be this low, can be these lows, your preference, right? So up to this, like this. So this is the exact thing I am doing here, but in reverse. I had one low here, and previous low on the left side. Market has displaced. It did create FPG on 5 minute. This I'm entering on that, waiting for market to go back up again. Yeah, it is simple and very simple. I mean, I've been using this since last 2 years, 2.5 years. It has been working. People have tried this, that, they have changed their strategy. I don't know, for them it never worked out. So for you to it work out, you have to try it first, see if it fits your trading style, then only you will know. People try to make it complicated when it is not. Alright, it is stuck at here at the moment. So I mean, we can get displacement because it is respecting this block, this FPG as well, keeping it inside. Thank you for the subscription, YK. Really appreciate it. So as I was saying that it is respecting this FPG, bearish FPG. So if it wants to go downside, it should go now. If it just chops around, we have higher probabilities that it will go up. It did give us like strong push to the upside here. Did not hold it. Just works against us. But my thinking is always that if you have entered the trade, just wait until you have a result. You never know when it's gonna turn around. Yeah, back to break even now. This is the problem with the London trade. I mean, it's gonna show you profit for 15 minutes, and I don't know, next 1 hour it will hit your SL. So you never know what's gonna happen. For now, it is respecting all the bearish stuff. So it is working against us. But what I'm gonna lose in this trade? $66? It's fine. I can lose that much after making $500. But it's more of a concept thing. Concept should work out. Okay, gold is turning bearish now. But still you never know. with the gold, what I have experienced is like it will come close to your my SL and then just pump one way through. Yeah, I think NQ just dumped or what? No. That was something else. I don't know what it was. Just give me a sec. This is why I say like with the goal I like to go one jump once. I have not entered it with anyone, but and if you all are trading like prop firm, I think one of the best firm is to go with right current is like MFFU and then second best is gonna be Apex. Topstep is the option for you guys as well, but I think it's gonna be expensive at the starting of your career where you spend $200 for 50k accounts if you pass it in one go. So yeah, I mean if you have any question related prop firms like which one to choose and which one to not, let me know. I'm here for that. Yeah, I think NQ gonna takes us out here. If you have no monetary, I mean money wise you are good than Topstep in terms of you. If you have big, see in prop firm what you should think about all the time is how much I can spend on the firm, right? If you can spend let's say around 50 to 60,000 on a firm per month for next 3 months without taking a payout, then Topstep is better in your case. If you have I mean if you can spend let's say 20 to 30k, right, then MFFU is better because there are no activation fee and you will have what 3 accounts try in a month. So that's how you should think about prop firms, you know, most of the time. I mean yeah, there are deeper discussion to be have in terms of how to use prop firms in a better way, but people try to ignore it every time when I suggest that it's not about how you trade in these prop firms, like, but not about how you trade markets or individual. I mean if there is indices then NQ, ES or gold or any forex pairs, it's about how you play this prop firm game is gonna make you profitable. But yeah, NQ and gold same work karte, not I guess, not really, because NQ tends to respect FPGs without going to the like bodies, I mean lower body of that FPG, where gold tends to take them out a lot. Like let's say if there is a 15 minute FPG here, gold will come back till here, it will sweep this low and then go back up again. But with the NQ there is a thing, if it comes back here it most likely will just disrespect and continue going lower. NQ looks very bearish to me, I mean on higher time frame, but what I want is to take this high out before going lower, but it has been dumped. So you know, every day wake up and sell. So I'm not trying to catch bottom at all. This is just to keep a stream fun, because I have entered with one micro, which I would never do. One micro, I enter with minimum of 1 mini. Plus I am done for the day as well, as you can see. I'll be live on the NY session as well. New York session 8 p.m. IST Indian Standard Time, India के 8 बजे something, and it will be more fun because it will be volatile as usual. So it's gonna be fun in the session. Let's see, it has taken out this low. I think filled everything now. If we don't get the move here, then yeah, gold को hold ही रखना है कि there's no point getting out if you have entered. It can pump at any moment. Gold is crazy like that. If it's in your plan, yes, hold it. I'm not gonna stream for long right now. Maybe in the PM session we'll think about streaming for long. I'm not PM session, in a New York session. For now I'm just gonna be here for 1 hour or something. Blue Guardian futures, I would highly suggest that please put your money where you can trust, like prop firm blindly, you know. There are only 3 firms I would suggest, and I haven't touched any other firms in my life ever. Maybe I'll try some new firms if they are sustainable, if they have sustainable business, but only 3 prop firms: Apex, Topstep, MFFU. So just remember, do not put money anywhere else. Yes, they are expensive, yes, their rules are tougher, but it's for the reason that they have a sustainable business, and if you reach to the payout, they will pay you out. If something is too good to be true in like prop firm industry, you will know that they're gonna get, and in 2-3 months they're gonna scam you because they don't have a sustainable business at all. In NQ, rejection brought respect most of the time. What do you think about that, Susan? I don't know what you're trying to say. If you can say it in other way, I mean any other way, or show me on the charts. The NQ is for now respecting bearish stuff. If you can make $3,000 in 1 day, I'm pretty damn sure that you can make $1,500 in 2 days. And MFFU में there are starter plus account, I mean starter account, where you can make $3,000 in 1 day. So there are no problems. You can find. It's just because tech, why market fell aggressively yesterday. Tech stocks has been falling and resulting in falling NQ as well. Apex payout rule समझा दो. Sahil has made video on it. I'll put it, but let me just explain to you in 2 minutes, 3 minutes. I'll try my best, okay? Because their rules are very complicated. So first rule is you need 8 days to take payout. 5 days where you have done proper trading, where you make $50 or more, and 3 days you can flip. It's fine, right? Second most important rule is you will have to have, let's say on 50K account, you will have to have like $2,600 balance to get eligible for the payout, because that's a buffer amount. $2,500 वो buffer देते हैं और $100 उसके ऊपर. So just like that, in 25K accounts 1,500 का drawdown होता है, तो you will have, you will need like $1,600 to get to the payout, like eligible for the payout. They have 30% consistency rule as well, where you cannot make 1600 ka 30% in one day, which comes around 400 something, 400 500 in between. If you, let's say if you made $600 by mistake, you will just need to make extra to make to eligible for the payout. Yes, you will be able to request payout anyways, तुमने रूल फॉलो किया होगा कि नहीं किया होगा, but they will just reject you, so make sure you follow all the rules. MFFU expert account is better. It's very expensive in my opinion. There is a consistency rule, I think, in expert account, which is, I don't think so, it's not worth it. Go with the starter plus account, where you have less fees and more freedom. Daily wise it's the same. I mean, you try to analyze the market on the lower time frame, it's the same goes with the higher time frame, and it's same goes for the other way around. Like however you analyze market on higher time frame, it's gonna be same for the lower time frame. But mostly I try to find inefficiency in ICT concept. That's at least what I try to do, कि कोई सी भी inefficiency ढूंढूंगा, drawn liquidity ढूंढूंगा closest. So today is Friday, right? I don't know where market will go, but it's right here, right? It has been bearish, so there are higher chances that it will go down, but I also know that there can be TGI forming. So it has taken out this low going into this FEG, so we can have retracement, and that is why daily bias is not that important to me, because we are day traders. So come on, I mean, in NQ 30 points is all we're looking for with 1 minute, $600-700 a day. So I don't care where daily bias or daily market is going, you know. I just need 30 points, even if it's against my daily bias. I just need my setups. Yeah, I mean, that's what market does, Sushant. I mean, it leaves some levels where it can refer to later on. Let's say if it wants to, right, it left 5-minute FEG here, right, went up. Why it did left it here? Because it wanted to refer back later on. So I guess that is how market works. Gold, so chala gaya na? Yeah, look at that. Unlucky for gold traders right today. Bro, what's going on with Topstep new rules? I think nothing to worry about for the new traders. For me, I don't know. I cannot reveal anything just as of now. I've been in talks with them. Not gonna say anything about them for now. Make sure you use your card. Don't use anybody else's card on the Topstep, because that, I think I saw 2-3 traders getting banned on Topstep just because of that. So if you are buying account, make sure you use your card, and if you have used somebody else's card, then make sure you inform them so they don't ban you in the future. See, I analyze 15 to 1 minute, like 15, 5, 3, 1. I don't go overboard about that. 15 minutes is all I need in a time frame basis to analyze market. Bro, how much payout you have taken this year? As literally it is saying on my screen. Royal King life changing. It is literally saying on my screen, if you can find out. 100 points for you to find out where it is saying that. Yeah, WW Royal King. Let's go. Finally, you spotted that. Yeah, of course, Dhanpal. Of course, you can. I use 2022 model. You just need enough time, experience with the market, and know when to enter, when to not, you know, and you will be good to go. No worries. Just stick to the one trading style. Don't try to keep changing it, you know, otherwise it will be always problematic. What people try to do is like they change strategy to strategy and nothing works out for them. Losing streak is a part of the game. You cannot avoid it. I don't care how good of a trader you are, it comes. As you can see, currently we have equalized. Even before having this equalize, my entry would have been on this 5-minute FPG, which already I have taken here on MNQ. It is about to get my SL, but I'm always gonna take this trade. Nevertheless, I don't care about the results. It is my model and I'm gonna take these trades all the time. We did get some reaction, but that was it. It is going for that. Sometimes you have to there is nothing mechanical happening on the market. It's just influenced by outside market where we have been bearish, so longing this would be a mistake, which it is already these kind of mistakes. But I wasn't risking much in this trade. It was just for like I risked what, $60. It was fine. Entry criteria is only I mean if it's London session, I need 5-minute FPG, MSS, displacement, and tapping into that FPG. Yes, of course it has to have taken out some liquidity before all that pause, but yeah. गर्मी आ गई है I keep a vague. I mean, let's say it's not like that I go for 100% of my target, but I try to at least plan my payouts in a way that I can have some number in my mind. This year, let's say 500, around 500k. Hopefully, I'm able to hit, even if it's like, let's say 70% of that goal, I will be happy. I don't need to go 100%, but I try to aim high. Yes, my starting is like pretty slow, but it's always like this. January, February is slow, and then start to pick up pace. In during summer, it will be very fast. In last 3 months of year will be the best year. I mean, best months. Anyways, don't tell me it just swept us and then going back up again. Yeah, on the continuation days, Sushant, I may try something else. I mean, continuation is like through the blogs and stuff, order blogs, breakaway gaps and stuff. But other than that, I only use 2022 model. दोनों में ऐसे लिट को फ्राइडेस इसलिए हमने तो आई मीन आई वोक अप today morning and then took this shot because I knew it's gonna be Friday and it's gonna do something that I don't want it to do. So it's better to take entries when market is fresh. Yeah, it swept us and now going back up again. Pretty bad market. Wow, look at Bitcoin. 79 now. I think 74 is where are looking to buy it with the futures leverage if it comes back. Solana is also in my direction. I mean, in my books of buying. Let's see. But yeah, if you are new, just focus on the NQ for now. Just cut this noise out. We don't need anything. Oh wow. Pretty shit show here. It swept us here, right? I think this is where our SL was. 30 points up from that. It's fine. Sometime it happens. And it is London session. What can I expect from it? I either trade pre-London session, right, or after London session, which is New York direct. I don't like to trade in London session. Pre-London session is better, directional. It has some intention to go, but London session, I don't know. नहीं करते by digital artists. Nobody blocks your bank account in futures. Do not worry. I don't know why people have this kind of question again and again asking it. Have you requested any payouts? I had nobody to tell me this kind of stuff. I just requested them. I mean, find out, fuck around and find out what it is. If I am taking payouts, of course they're not blocking anything. I've been to Delhi in last 3 months. What? 3 times? 2 times? Maybe next 1-2 months. Let's see. Delhi meetup. I came there in January 12. I mean around 15 January I was there. Maybe March May I'll go back there again. But not a meetup. Like
Welcome home, Columbia. Beautiful, beautiful. Discovery's 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions. Liftoff of mission 41B, the first flight of the orbiter Discovery and the
yeah, it fucking swept us.
Discovery Houston.
Look at that.
ITO.
Wow. Brutal. I think as you can see it does work out. I did take entry early. Should have taken it on C of this thing. 5-minute FPG. SL should have been. There are some mistakes that I need to improve on. Of course, there is always be something to improve on. But yeah. By the way, there's 80% off going on with Apex. I think 50k account, what it will cost you $33. That is why I've come back to the Apex as well. It is so cheap right now. Plus activation is also 125, so it's gonna be cheap as fuck. Gold. Look at this shit. This is what I was talking about gold. Like if like एनक्यू ने तो आज सेम चीज की गोल्ड की जैसे, but gold does this too often. Sweep the body of these two candles. SL hunting, go by SL hunting. Yes, I have Sri Durga cells. NQ will end up going up taking out those highs. Uh, yeah, this motherfucker is. This NQ, look at that. I don't try to take high probability trades. I just try to take my setups and they end up being high probabilities. It's just I don't see the way you are asking questions, you are trying to make stuff complicated. But again, to become a profitable trader, to become consistent trader, you don't need to see anything. Just trade your setup and everything will work out in the end. Again, London session liquidity बना रहा है, न्यूयॉर्क में निकाल रहा है, न्यूयॉर्क बना रहा है. It has to do with us. For us is to mark 15-minute highs and low, wait for any of those to be taken out, and trade off the displacement FEG, MSS. You are just trying to make stuff sound complicated, which I think 99% people of the, and in Discord I have seen people doing that same stuff. I have already explained it in the stream. Wait, you just go back and watch it. I trade 2022 model ICT. Don't you trade on 1 minute time frame? Yes, on NY system I trade on one time frame. London session I have shifted to at least 3 to 5 minutes. It used to always manipulate me too many times, so it's better to trade on higher time frame when market is moving slowly. And 20 is also there, so you think it has to be taken out equal highs. It doesn't have to, but if it does, I mean, if I'm taking longs, there would be like prop higher chances that it will, and that is good enough. So what is Topstep based day profit rule something? There are no consistency rule on the Topstep. You don't need to worry about that. Do you trade all 3 sessions? I'm free all the time, so I look at the market, and if I do find setup, of course I do trade it. But mostly it's pre-London session if it has to be in a day, and otherwise it's New York session. गुच्चिया भाई दिल्ली तो हम आए थे बीच में, but I think we were there for only 2-3 days. Next time for sure. थोड़ा सा पैसे कमा ले फिर आ जाएंगे. One big payout from Apex and we'll think about that. Big is like minimum $10,000. So when this number reaches 25,000, 2025 payout wala, which is right here, we'll think about it. Also be there in the New York session stream, it's gonna be fun. I have requested the payout in Topstep. If money is deducted from it, we'll trade live, I mean not live, funded express account with the Topstep, and I'm gonna full port that shit, so be there. Order block or FPG, depends on where you are looking at it, Nikhil bhai. ना OB पहलवान ना FPG पहलवान. पहलवान तो सिर्फ टाइम होता है, समझ रहे हो ना. अगर दोनों साथ में मिल गए तो फिर बढ़िया है. Yes, Susan bhai, simplicity is the key. You don't need to complicate anything at all. I have explained this like any time in last 3 years. You go back on my streams and anybody has tried to question me about my setups, I have always said 2022 model, what I trade, and you will see it in my trading as well. And yes, I do try most of the directional move as well. Like if I wake up, let's say 4 in the morning, where market have just reopened after previous day close, I just predict where the market will go from the 1 hour, 4 hour time frame through the FPGs, order blocks, or whatever. What happened yesterday and what's gonna happen today. But that is just the experience, I would say. I guess I don't think anybody new can come into the market and predict that. It will take time. So just give yourself a screen time where you have seen market enough to know how it behaves, especially NQ, any kind of indices, because they have behaviors. Gold behaves in different way, NQ behaves in different way. Even though we might use the same concept, you may take short where I'm taking long. That's the kind of thing. In what way, Susan? In what way managing entries? So if if I'm entering any, let's say, trade, and if I'm putting SL or TP, if you are talking about going break even or moving my SL into the profits or keeping it wherever it was in the starting phase, so if until or unless my 80% of profit is hit, I don't move it to break even, and sometimes I don't even move it. Like NQ tends to be coming back to the break even almost all the time, so I don't like to move it to break even. And if let's say 80 to 90% of my profit target is hit, then I'll move it to the break even, because at that point I don't want to take loss. But with the Apex, see, this is when it comes to the prop firm, you have to have different rules for different prop firms, where in Topstep and MFFU there are no trailing drawdown, so you can keep it wherever it was. With Topstep, I just take minimum profits. Let's say if I entered with 1 mini at 20-25 points, I take my TP. I don't care where my SL was, wherever it was. I just don't want to deal with trailing drawdown at all. So what I would do is like take one good profit of the first trade and then use that profit in the next trade to make I think some quite good money in the day. They have that 30% drawdown limit as well on one trade. I don't too many rules, but I think the only good thing about Apex is they pay you out if you have followed their rules, and they will approve you in 1-2 days. Plus you can scale it insanely, which I'm gonna try throughout next 3 months. And if you see this payout number goes crazy, don't be surprised, because goal is too high for this year. I need to start taking some insane payouts. Yeah, I can see it is going up again slowly, but it's if it has 80 or SL, just don't look at it now. You will just only feel bad if it's end up going to your TP now. Take a break, refresh, and come back in the near game session. All right, all right. After it takes this eyes out, I'm gonna end the stream because that was our drawn liquidity. And if it consolidate also, I'm not gonna stick around because I need to be back at New York game session. I haven't slept more than 3 hours. I need to get some sleep on my cards to be fresh. Yeah. It is trying to go for that high. Of course, it will not be easy because it's not New York session. Should go for that highs, at least this bodies here, 39s. Make sure you like the stream, guys. Sure. The stream. Alright, let's just keep this stream short and sweet because I do want to come back tomorrow in the London pre-London session. हम आएंगे 1 घंटा पहले, so 1 घंटा पहले का 1 घंटा London session का, so we get to see everything because then it will be worth it. And not tomorrow Saturday, my bad. We'll be back on Monday for sure. And NY session में भी हम live आएंगे आज, तो tune in for the instant thing, instant trading as well. Hopefully I'll have some accounts to trade on because I have requested payouts on 2 accounts with the Topstep. I have done my work with this account on Apex, so if I have something other accounts, I do have some past account with Apex. Let's see if I can activate them today, and if I do, then I'll trade some Apex account as well. So yeah, for that, find out what's we gonna do in the New York game session. It's gonna be more fun than this, like very much. So yeah, okay, last question, why didn't you enter this in this setup? Because in the starting as well, like I entered just because of the stream purpose. I already mentioned before entering that this is not the trade I'm taking, this is like for the entertainment purpose, because I already done my deed on this account. For $400, it's all I need with the consistency rule. If I were to be in, I like वो proper तरीके से entry लेता, तब मैं CE पे entry लेता, and then I would have put my SL below this week, definitely 100%. But again, not gonna make excuse here. SL is SL, but yeah, this is why I'm not entered. Yeah, follow the process, that's all I'm saying. Alright guys, I'll see you in the New York session 8 p.m. sharp IST and 9:30 NY, 9:30 am NY time. Okay, thank you for joining. Make sure you press the like button, subscribe as well, and tune in the all the stream for potential giveaways. I won't say it anywhere else other than streams now, what I'm gonna do for the giveaways. So yeah, thank you. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye, take care, stay safe, trade safe.